Two. Hi guys, welcome to my makeup tutorial. Today I will show you how you can do your makeup without brushes. I only have this sponge and very minimal items you need. So we're gonna use, I'm gonna use a foundation. Me foundation by Maybelline, maybe it's me, maybe it's you. And this makeup would be perfect for those people who just started and who just want to learn how to do their makeup and who also has a very minimal products. You don't need to spend a lot of money, especially when you just started. I love this foundation because it gives me a very dewy look. So it looks like it's always moist. And it has SPF 18. Dewy and smooth. And it's also cheap. Okay, so that's our foundation is done. Now just put a little bit of concealer here. Just because my eye. Okay, so being a flight stewardess, when I first joined back in 2000, I don't really know how to put makeup on. I know very little, and back then YouTube was not really famous, and YouTube and no Facebook before, and no, what else we don't have? Yeah, internet was not really common, so I mean, it was already there, but it was still not very common like how it is right now. No social media, no Instagram. So I didn't know how to do my makeup. Only we had some training, but very minimal. So I remember I was told by one of my purser that, oh, Angel, you're so beautiful, but you need to know how to do your makeup to enhance it. So now I'm pretty good at it, and I will show you, and I'm sharing it to you how to do it. So. Okay, so foundation's done. This one, you need to have like a stable table or somewhere where you can rest your elbows so you will not have difficulties in doing your eye makeup. It works for eyeliner and it also works for eyeshadow, mascara. Right. So it looks like I overextended my wing, so that's okay. I can pull it off. This is quite long. So I'm just going to balance it. All you need to do is wipe it off. You see? As simple as that. So now, I have my eye makeup. How easy is that, right? And any imperfections, all you need to do is just balance it. Keep doing until you are satisfied and happy. And really the trick is to have a place where you can rest your elbow. That really works perfectly. And then like I said, it's very simple, but I can even, using this, I can even like make some drama on my eyes. Dramatic. I'm gonna make it dramatic. Dramatic effect. You see, look at that. Look at my eyes. Can you see that there's like, I extended this part to elongate this wing right here. You see? Right. So it's supposed to be very simple, but like really it's so simple. To me it was very simple. But so that's how it is, yeah, right? I'm not sure if it's really balanced because my mirror doesn't tell. It tells me that it's balanced, but we'll work it out later. Okay, so now I have that. What we're gonna do right now is to do my eyebrow. I feel like I should have a darker eyebrow today. So what you like, my eyebrows has already tattoo or microblading. So all I need to do is just to follow it. And if you want to know how to balance your eyebrow, you can check my YouTube channel. And you will find it there. See, it's so dark, right? But I like it dark. It was raining today, so I feel gloomy. So I want my... I feel witchy. Wow, look at that eyebrow. I have to be careful because I have nothing to clean up, by the way. Because I don't have brush. So, you have any imperfections, all you need to do is just clean it up like this to balance it. You can brush your whatever brow you have left before you do this drawing, or you can kind of blend it using this after. So yeah, so now I have my eyebrow, and voila, it's so dramatic. Actually, it turned out to be really dramatic with simple things. Okay, so now if you're not 100% sure about your eyebrow, if it's perfectly balanced or not, then you just clean it up with this. You take a little bit of foundation and you clean it up. And I can see a little bit of smudge in my eyeliner, so all I need to do is blend it like this. Bring it inward or outward. Because of my eyeliner is not really new. So, but I also like this eyeliner. It's from L'Oreal. I have this for about 6-7 months maybe, and I'm still using it. Okay, so that's our eye makeup.